I've brought for you a smoke detector, okay, in a car parking yard. Okay, so let me show you a simple demonstration. Let's go back home and then come to smoke here. Okay, so this is our smoke detector. So I want to make smoke, so Alt, then you click on the car. Of course here you can see it's 0.00, but if it comes to 0.4 or and above, the sprinkler will start pouring water. Okay, so Alt, then click on end of the car. So here at this time there is smoke. Then you can come back and check. Here it's increasing, sorry. Okay, let's try to increase on another smoke. Another car has caught fire. Let's see again. Let's see. So it's 0.2. Okay, it's raising. Can increase more. Another car started icing. So it has come to 0.4 and the sprinkler is start pouring water. It's pouring water. Okay. So if it will pour water until it reduces again. So we are reducing from 0.4. It's reducing, as you can see. The figures are reducing. Let's try to reduce them and see. The sprinkler will stop automatically. Okay, if it comes to 0.2 and less to 0.2, watch here. Less than 0.2, I think I stopped. Perfect. So that's how you make. I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. Sprinkler, put here, drag and drop here. Also, let's get the server. Drag here. Let's search for smoke. Put here smoke. Access point. Some cards. From there we can name system server, system. Then this is the access point. Then smoke. Then after that, come to access point. Click. Then come to config port 1. Then where there is SSID, you put Cisco. Copy. This will help us. After that, come to sprinkle, click. Then come to config wireless. Then come to SSID. Then put Cisco. Okay, then it will connect itself here. Icing. Then do the same thing to smoke detector. Click. Go to physical config wireless. Then SSID. Replace this. So this is the SSID Cisco. Then also it will connect. Close. You can see it will connect. Okay. Then also the server. Come to these connections, and then you get automatically choose here. Okay. Take this. Connect this. Right. After that, we can now assign the IP address to each device. So come to server, going to assign IP address. Okay. Then from here 1.0.0.1. Okay, static. Then subnet mask, it will be generated automatically. Close. Do the same to this. Come to wireless. Okay, wireless, let's see, IPv4 address, static. Then this one will be to 1.0.0.2. Subnet mask, automatic, close. Do the same thing to smoke detector. So for this, come to wireless, come to static, control V, then this will be 1.0.0.0.3. Subnet mask will be generated automatically. Alright, then come to physical, then see physical, come to IoT here, then turn this on, then close, come back, the desktop, open web browser, put the IP address of the server 1.0.0.1, go. Then you can set your username and password for the server. So may I put admin, sign in. Then now you can put back admin, sign up, admin. So now after that now we are going to come to sprinkler, then come to remote server here, then the server address 1.0.0.1, username admin, password admin, connect. So if you connect, if you want to know that it has connected, refresh. See, refresh, so it has connected. Do the same to the smoke. Come to a remote server below, IP address 1.0.0.1, username admin, connect. So you see, refresh, so it means it's connected. Wait, perfect. Now after that, come and open the server again, come to web. So you put the IP address of the server here, 1.0.0.1, go. Then your username, then the password also. So as now you can see the smoke detector, then the sprinkler. So at this time we are going to put the condition. Okay, so we're going to write our condition. So come to condition here, smoke is on. So if smoke is on, it's going to be greater or equal to 0.4. Okay, then also it means it's going to be true. Save this. Then what about if it's off? Let's try to add another smoke. Let's see. So this time, if smoke is off, it is less or equal. No, let's say it's less. Be less 0.2. If it's less 0.2. Okay. Now let's come back and try and check and see. So we come back home. So at this time you can see is 0, right? 0, perfect. So let's try to observe. If you right click, if you click alt to see smoke, alt. So here is 0, then here it's not. The sprinkler is not pouring its water. So alt. So I see smoke. So here, if you come back here, just start counting. Okay. let's try to increase. So we're increasing. So if it is 0.4 or more, 0.4, the sprinkler will start pouring its water automatically. Observe, it's about to reach, see, 0.34 and 0. It's about to start pouring. It's about to start pouring. About we can increase. On by another car. Let's see. And the car has good fire also. So let's go back, run back real fast. I think the sprinkler is started.